just put hood shocks on here. Come in that little pack. That's pretty much well all it was to it. They did give me these little small washers there. I wasn't too happy about that. They should have been bigger, but they're basically very similar to, I think it's the red line system, but they actually work really well. It's a lot better than that hood rod. Look at that. That's just cool. So no more rod, but they're pretty cool. It's just take the fender bolt out, put the little bracket on there, and that's what that big washer's for. It's got like a half moon metal piece. You actually stick in the hole at an angle and then turn it. But that's what that big washer's for. They give you that tiny one, and it wasn't much bigger than the actual hole that was in the hood. But I figure since, you know, it's pressing on that, the bigger the better. But it actually, it does pretty good. I was surprised. It's, that's just cool. I mean, I've been out here opening and closing the hood like 20 times, just because I think it's cool. That's cool. That works. Well worth it.